Hello friends, welcome to Tutorialspoint. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the HANA modeling views. So, HANA modeling views is one of the key capability of SAP HANA system. It will allow the user to create the multi-dimensional objects on top of SAP HANA database objects, which will be meeting the business requirements for reporting, and after that the users they can implement the complex business logics using the HANA information models to create the meaningful report for the analysis. So we have three different types of information views, which are attribute view, analytic view, and then we have the calculation view. So all the HANA modeling objects, they are stored in the HANA repository and can be directly accessed using any BI tool via the proper authentication. When these objects are imported in any of the reporting tools using the OLAP or the HTTP connection, it also imports all the custom properties of that model. So let's see how we can access these views into the SAP HANA Design Studio. So we will log in to our system. Here we will open up the SAP HANA Studio where we develop all these tools, and we can access these views from there. So first of all, let it open. Once we will open up the SAP HANA Studio, here we have the SAP HANA database defined. If we right click it and if we go to the logon, here we have to give the password for the SAP HANA system. Once we will enter the password, we will have the access to all the content and the catalog of this HANA system. So all our views, they are stored in the content folder under the different packages. So we can see here that we have all these different packages. So if we go to any of these packages, let me go to the one which I have created. So if I go here and if I right click and go to the new, here I can create the attribute view, I can create the analytic view, and I can create the calculation view. So these are the three views which we can create using the HANA Studio. Now SAP HANA Studio also provide the basic BI reporting functionality where the users can create the interactive charts using the using the data in the HANA models. So how we can do that? If we expand this and if we go to any of these analytic views, if I open them up, I will be able to see the editor for them. Now if I want to see the data inside them, we can right click and go to the data preview. If I go to the data preview, so I can see like other BI reporting tools, user can add the dimensions and the measure values to the label and the values axis. HANA provides the options for the BI analysis. So here we can add up the region name, sub-region name, and then we can remove it from the value axis and we can add the revenue in the value axis. So here we can see that automatically we got this beautiful graph in SAP HANA, which is similar to any other reporting environment. Here we have the different options. If I want to go to the tabular form of this data, I can go here to the tabular form. If I want to see it as a grid, I can see it as a grid. If I want to see it in the HTML format, I can see it in the HTML format. Similarly, if I go here again to the chart and if I want to change this to any other type of chart, like might be the pie chart, or if I want to change it to the bar chart, so all these functionalities, they are provided by SAP HANA. So in this tutorial we have seen how we can create the BI reporting reports using the SAP HANA Design Studio based upon the three different types of views we have, like the attribute view, analytical view, and the calculation view. Thank you.